Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert a Canva PDF to a CDR file. This is useful when we want to edit our Canva designs in CorelDRAW for more advanced design work. Now let's get started. On our Canva dashboard, we have our file open and we want to export it as a PDF. All we have to do is click Share and then click Download. We will then change the file type to PDF Standard and click Download. Once the download is complete, the file is saved on our computer. As we can see, it is a PDF file. Now we will convert this PDF to a CDR file using a converter tool. We just need to select the file from our device. Here is our PDF. We select it and then start editing. As we can see, it is now converting. We just need to wait for it to finish loading so we can open it in CorelDRAW. And here it is. The file is now open in CorelDRAW. Now we can export it to download it as a CDR file. Keep in mind that we may need to pay if we are on a paid plan, or we can look for a free tool to convert the file to a CDR format. And that's how we convert a PDF to a CDR file. With this simple process, we can move our designs between platforms and keep editing them with more flexibility.